messages and recognizing potential biases. So we're always saying that discerning, but the more you are exposed to media, the more you will see, will be able to discern kung ano na ang fake and ano ang hindi. Rather than, you're just going through, you will already see the difference kung ano yung mga AI na ginahimo lang without the true source. So also combating misinformation and disinformation. As media manipulation and disinformation become increasingly prevalent, media literacy provides individuals with the tools needed to critically assess and verify information. So it enables them to identify reliable sources, question misleading narratives, and reject propaganda. It also promotes civic engagement and social change. So through media, individuals learn to harness the power of media for advocacy, public communication, and positive social transformation. So it cultivates values essential for civil society and promotes active participation in democratic processes. Actually, if you're going to look at it, we'll see kung paano yung mga volunteerism that's been, mga community engagement that we see around. Empowering youth and educators. So UNESCO recognizes the classroom as a powerful space for fostering media literacy.